It's time for some relaxing experience again. Let's go to Yunomori Onsen and Spa. This is the entrance. Let's walk up the stairs. The shoe lockers are at my left. After changing out our shoes with the sandals in the locker, we can proceed to the lobby reception in front. After you have received your onsen locker bracelet, proceed to the elevator and go to level 3 for the male onsen. There's also a nice resting area at level 2. We will come back here later. Now let's go up to level 3 for the male onsen. Once you are out of the elevator at level 3, proceed to your right. Here's the towel counter where we will get a bag of essentials. Leave all your things in the locker and just bring out a small towel. After showering, we can proceed to the sauna or directly to the onsen pools. There's a sitting area where we can sit around naked too. This is the dressing area where you can blow dry your hair after onsen. Now let's go back to level 2 to the beautiful resting area. Cold water is provided too. This is the calming Zen Japanese garden. There's a restaurant at level 1 where we can check it out later. Happy Rice is the name of the restaurant. The restaurant is full, so I'll just enjoy the beautiful Japanese Zen garden. Yunomori provides a very authentic Japanese onsen experience in Bangkok. I've enjoyed my time here very much. But it's now time to bid farewell and retrieve my shoes. I will miss this place. That is just a short 5 minutes walk away from St. Louis BTS train station. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again soon.